What's up guys, Andrew, some guy with tools here again. Today we're going to be taking another look at some reciprocating saws. I heard your comments and your opinions from the last head-to-head video. Didn't find that it was a fair competition, being that the Milwaukee was the brushed model. So what I've done, I picked up the newer Milwaukee FUEL 2720-20. This is not the super SAWZALL, but it is the FUEL, the brushless model. Got it paired up with a fully charged, ready to go, high output 8.0 battery. We got the winner of last time, the Metabo SSE 18 LTX BL, again paired up with a fully charged 8.0. We're going to be taking a look at some of the more strenuous tests that the reciprocating saws went through last time. We're going to do the 4x6 pressure treated post, the 2x12 clean, the 2.5 inch thick walled black pipe, the doubled up 2x6s, as well as the Pecan tree branch. And we'll see how the brushless, the FUEL Milwaukee 2720-20 stands up against eaters from the last head-to-head. For these tests, we will once again be giving each saw its own set of Diablo blades. These blades will be used for an equal number of cuts throughout the testing. The type of blade will vary by material and their intended application. The blades for the 2.5 inch black pipe were used in the previous 4-way testing video. They have each made the same number of cuts, so it will still be an even playing field. Additionally, with the exception of the black pipe, I will not rock or push the saws through any of the cuts. A 10-pound weight is hung from each saw, and I do my best to keep the saws level the whole way through the cut. Each saw performed each test 3 times. The average of those times will be shown on the screen. You may notice some of these times being higher than that of the last testing. That's because the lumber was stored outdoors and has been rained on and soaking up water for a couple of weeks. Nonetheless, both saws cut through the same wet lumber and still had a fair test. Both saws made easy work of the pressure-treated 4x6 post, Metabo finishing the cut in just 17 seconds and the Milwaukee FUEL finishing in 33 seconds. Number 2, ready, set, go. Cross-cutting a clean 2x12 was no problem for either of the saws. However, the Metabo came out ahead once again at 15 seconds, and Milwaukee finished close behind in 17 seconds. 2x6, ready, set, go. In this test, the saws each cut through doubled up 2x6s. Metabo continued to show its dominance, finishing the cut in just 15 seconds, while Milwaukee was close behind and finished in 18. Ready, set, go. This test put the saws up against thick-walled 2.5-inch commercial fire sprinkler pipe. The Metabo cut through in just 58 seconds, followed by the Milwaukee at 1 minute and 18 seconds. As previously mentioned, these blades were used in the previous 4-way head-to-head testing, but each had made the same number of cuts prior to this. Set, ready, go. Set, go. Each saw made a cut from both the trunk end of the branch and the outward end. In theory, they each cut through a similar amount of material. With that said, the Metabo once again finished on top at just 32 seconds and the Milwaukee finished in 48 seconds. At the end of the day, I can confidently say that the Metabo SSE 18 LTX BL is still our winner. With a total cut time of 137 seconds, it is 57 seconds faster than the Milwaukee FUEL, cutting through all of our materials added together. That, coupled with its lightweight and its ergonomic handle design and reduced vibration, lead me to confidently say that the Metabo is still the best saw that I've compared. I look forward to continue testing more saws, and I hope that in the comments below you'll leave more suggestions of different manufacturers and models of reciprocating saws that I can put up against previously tested models. If you like this video and want to stay up to date on all future head-to-head comparisons, testings, reviews, and unboxings, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified of new videos. Be sure to also check out our Instagram @SomeGuyWithTools and our website SomeGuyWithTools.com.